Hello everyone, here's how to verify your Revolut account without a passport. First, download the Revolut app and open it. Tap on Sign Up and enter your phone number. Revolut will send you a 6-digit code, enter that to continue. Next, it will ask if you'd like to enable push notifications. You can either allow them or skip this step by tapping Not Now. Now, select your country of residence. Use the drop-down menu, search for your country, then tap Confirm and sign up securely. After that, you'll need to enter your email address. Once that's done, Revolut will ask you to create a 6-digit password and confirm it. Next, type in your first and last name exactly as they appear on your official documents, then enter your date of birth and home address. Once your address is confirmed, tap Continue. You'll now need to review the terms of service. If you want, you can read the personal terms, and once everything looks good, tap Accept and Continue. At this point, Revolut will ask you to verify your identity with a quick photo. Keep a neutral expression, and don't worry, this photo won't be your profile picture. It's only used for verification. Next, you'll need to confirm whether you're a citizen of the country you selected earlier. If yes, tap Yes. Now it's time to upload a document to verify your identity. Since we're doing this without a passport, you can use your national ID card or driver's license instead. Choose the one you prefer, continue, and then submit the photo. Revolut may also ask for your social security number or tax ID, depending on your country. Enter that and continue. You'll then need to confirm your tax residency. Choose Yes if your country is your only tax residence. After that, Revolut will ask what you plan to use your account for. Select the options that fit you best and tap Continue. Next, choose a referral tag and upload your profile picture. You've successfully opened and verified your Revolut account without a passport. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.